Hello everyone, this is Syed and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, we're going to explore some powerful and practical Gmail tricks that will make your email experience faster, smarter, and more professional. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or working professionals, these tricks will make your daily tasks much easier. So make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. The first strategy: undo send, recall email. Fix mistakes immediately after sending an email. Correct wrong attachments, typos, or wrong recipients. Avoid major professional errors. Go to Settings. See all settings. Undo send. Set the time to 30 seconds. Next, email signature, automatic signature. No need to type your name, phone, and details every time. Makes your emails look professional and clean. Improves your brand image in business communication. Go to Settings. Signature. Click Create New and add your details. Click Save. Now your signature will be added automatically to every email. Next, Vacation Responder, Auto Reply. Lets others know you're busy or on leave. Prevents confusion when you don't reply. Maintains a professional impression. Go to Settings. Turn on Vacation Responder. Set the dates. Write your message. Now anyone who emails you will receive an automatic reply. Next, schedule send emails later. Send emails automatically at a specific time. Perfect for clients in different time zones. Finish your work in advance. Click the arrow next to send. Select schedule send. Set time and date. Next, confidential mode, secure email. Emails expire automatically after a set time. Keeps sensitive information secure. Add passcode protection for extra security. Click the lock icon while composing. Set expiry date. Add passcode if needed. Next, snooze email reminder feature. Never forget important emails. Email will reappear at your chosen time. Helps manage tasks efficiently. Right-click the email, click snooze, set date and time. Next, Smart Compose, auto suggestions, helps you type faster, complete emails with fewer keystrokes, reduces mistakes and improves writing quality. Go to Settings. Turn on Smart Compose. Now Gmail will suggest sentences as you type. Next, Inbox Customize. Clean inbox. Reduces unwanted emails like promotions and social. Helps you find important emails easily. Keeps your inbox clean and organized. Go to Settings. Inbox. Turn off social/promotions. Save changes. By using these 8 Gmail tricks, you'll save time, work faster, and use email more professionally. Let me know in the comments. Which trick did you find most useful? Like the video, share with your friends, subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.